So una po sa lahat, I'm Coach Rafi Rivas, 38 years young. Ako po ay taong gising sa gabi since ang work ko po ay isang virtual assistant US support. So obviously, dati pong overweight, sakitin ng likod at mainitin ng ulo dahil lagi pong puyat. Nag-start gumamit ng Herbalife products almost 4 years ago. So we simply replaced our breakfast with aloe tea and shake. Since then, malibin sa nakalus po ako ng more than 30 pounds, dumami ang energy at ngayon po ay na-enjoy na ang paglalaro ng sports at patuloy na sinishare ang power of nutrition. So maliban dun sa aloe tea and shake na na-mention ko, ang favorite tablets ko po, ang energy to sustain and maintain ang high energy and mental alertness. Meron din tayong Formula 2, yan yung vitamin, vitamins and minerals. All right. So let's go to our special topic for this morning. So link between hydration and exercise, no? So sa herbalife.com po yan, wellness resources and articles. Ito po yung pinrepare sa atin ni Dr. John Heiss, our Senior Director of Worldwide Product Marketing Innovation. So pag sinabi nating hydration, no, unang papasok sa isip natin ang water. So ano ba yung water, no? So sabi dito, almost 70% of the human body is composed of it. Vital resource for human survival. So hindi natin masusurvive kung walang tubig. Ang pagkain, pwede tayo hindi kumain ng kahit isang buwan, pero ang tubig, kailangan po natin yan. Regulate our body temperature. Essential in digestion, excretion, and many other body functions. At syempre, no, alam natin to lahat, no, as a general rule, it is recommended to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. So, pa-type 1 nga po dyan kung nagagawa po natin to, 8 to 10 glasses of water, ha? And this is a common reminder. So, drink more when we engage in physical activities as we tend to sweat more and lose body fluids. Pero today, i-discuss po natin yung mga myths and facts about yung mga conflicting advice. And minsan nako-confuse tayo regarding hydration, no? Especially sa sports hydration. Alright, so una sa listahan po natin, myth pala to, no? One must drink a fixed amount of water during exercise. So, ang sabi dito, there is no one-size-fits-all formula when it comes to hydration. So, generally, we should aim for 600 ml per hour or we can adjust to our needs. Pero may tip ako dyan, no? So, kapag nag-exercise po tayo, we always listen to our body. I-observe po natin, kunyari, medyo nagkaroon na tayo ng dry lips or nanunuyot na yung ating lalamunan, so pwede tayo minom ng kahit konting amount ng water during or between our exercise. All right, so our second myth here is a sport drink is necessary for hydration during exercise. So, ang fact daw, sabi, someone working out very casually for an hour can simply have water. Hindi naman kailangan sports drink, no? So, for longer workouts, we may consume 30 to 60 grams of carbohydrates per hour to help maintain blood glucose levels and sustain exercise performance. All right, so for our third myth, sabi dito, sports drinks are healthy. So sports drinks can help boost performance for high intensity and or for sustained durations. So however, we do not need a sports drink if you are not into sports. So sabi nga ni Dr. Heiss, if you are drinking either without doing any exercise, it is probably inappropriate. Pero ang tip ko sa inyo, syempre, we always check the label. So, maging wise po tayo, mapanuri sa mga bibili natin products at siguraduhin po natin na may high quality ingredients. So, always check the nutrition facts label sa mga sports drinks natin. So, next myth is all sports drinks are the same. So, sabi, there are subtle differences between different brands, syempre, no? So, another tip for me, iwas tayo sa high sugar. So, familiar naman tayo sa sports drink na letter G. At meron din tayo another sports drink sa market na letter C. It has a high caffeine. So, na-search ko yan, 134 milligrams. At syempre, meron siyang high calories, which is 180. So, we always check yung nutritional fact nung pipili nating sports drink. Okay. Alright, so meron tayong Herbalife 24 CR7. Actually, hindi pa to available sa market natin. So, available to sa US market. However, based dun sa article, ang sabi po ng ating Herbalife Senior Director in Sports and Fitness, Dr. John Hayes, he actually personally worked with Ronaldo to evaluate his needs and personalize a product for him. So meron po akong tatlong top 3 facts for CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo, especially sa mga bago or hindi familiar sa kanya. So una, si Cristiano Ronaldo is the highest international goal scorer among active male football players. So imagine niyo, no, he has scored a record of 916 senior career goals for club and country. And collectively, si CR7 has won 33 senior trophies in his career. So pangalawang fact with CR7, in addition to his success on the field, he is also a successful businessman. So meron siyang branded products, yun nga yung CR7, including clothing, footwear, fragrance. Meron din siyang hotel, museum, and number of restaurants in Madeira, Portugal. At ang pangatlo, very interesting, ngayon ko lang to nalaman. Meron palang galaxy named after Ronaldo. So the name of the galaxy, search nyo po yan, Cosmos Redshift 7 Galaxy or CR7 Galaxy. So it was inspired by Ronaldo himself. So itong product na to na nakikita nyo na dyan, Herbalife 24 CR7, yung finormulate yan ni Dr. John Heiss with Cristiano Ronaldo, ito yung eksaktong sinabi niya, no? Teka, natatanggalin ko lang muna yung salamin ko. So, imagine niyo ako with si Cristiano Ronaldo nagsasalita, no? Ang sabi ni Cristiano Ronaldo, I definitely feel better when I drink Herbalife 24 CR7 Drive. It gives me energy and replace the electrolytes I lost when I sweat. Ano kaya amoy nung pawis ni Cristiano Ronaldo, no? But anyway, when I drink it, I feel like I have more energy at the end of a workout or game versus if I don't drink it. So imagine niyo yung difference nung product na to when Cristiano Ronaldo takes it, no? Alright? So syempre magtatanong kayo, wala naman sa atin to sa Pilipinas. So on our next slides, I'm going to give you an ultimate tip. Pero for now, ang sabi dito, hydration. Experts recommend drinking roughly 11 cups of water per day for the average woman and 16 cups of water per day for men. So not all of those cups have to come in plain water. So karamihan sa atin gusto laging may flavor ang ating tubig. So water flavor with fruit or vegetables, lemon, berries, orange, or cucumber slices. Ang iba naman gusto coffee, yung iba naman ay gusto ang tsaa or tea. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? So we have our herbal aloe concentrate. So very effective to as part of our hydration. Una sa lahat, it keeps you refreshed. So imagine niyo 0 to 2 calories per serving depending on variant. And it supports the digestive system. And it has a premium quality aloe vera concentrate. Alright. O syempre, supplementation ng usapan, meron tayong mineral herbal complex. So it supports electrolyte balance. So kailangan na kailangan po natin yan during our physical activities. Magnesium, sodium, calcium, and also supports balanced pH level. So sino dito? Type 1 nga po dyan, kahit hindi nag-exercise pero yung mga naglalakad lang or umakyat na hagdan, bigla tayong makakaramdam ng parang pulikat or pananakit ng muscle. Type 1 nga po tayo dyan. So kung nararamdaman niyo po yung mga bagay na yan, yung pamumulikat, kahit hindi ka nag-exercise, naglalakad ka lang or umakyat ka ng hagdan, ito po ang kailangan natin, no? Ang Mineral Herbal Complex. Alright? So again, going back pala dun sa sinasabi ko kanina, since wala tayong CR7 na drive dito sa atin, ito po ang alternative at ultimate tip ko for you, for us today. Pwede nyo po itong isulat. So merong, for me kasi personally, I do herbal aloe concentrate with a combination of our Herbalife tea concentrate plus the NRG na supplement. At syempre, idagdag po natin si Mineral Herbal Complex 3 times a day. So, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, para iwas puligat at pananakit ng muscle. So I encourage everyone, especially yung mga bago po dito sa Barangay VNC, to go back to the person who invited you po on how to avail our amazing products. And speaking of amazing products, sabay-sabay po nating i-type 1 dahil we are number 1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being, and active and lifestyle nutrition. Alright, so syempre, Herbalife has been recognized as a super brand in the Philippines. So sino ba naman hindi mapapa-say yes? So sabay-sabay natin sabihin, say yes to good nutrition. Alright. And dyan na po nagtatapos ang aking special topic. Naway meron po kayong natutunan. At syempre, go back to you, Coach Jesse.
Of course, syempre, ang dami naming natutunan, Coach Rafi, ngayong araw na to. So, yan. Yan na po yung link between hydration and exercise. So, may mga myths,